Good morning, everybody. Hey, I'm Margie. This is my new thing where I'm trying to vlog. So what I'm trying to do right now, because I'm going to a B&H event, so stay tuned for that. And as you can see, I got my makeup here set up so that I could do my makeup real quick. But I'm going to shower and I'm going to get dressed and I'm going to head on out. So I'll see you there. God bless. So hey guys, I'm ready and I'm going to the B&H event. So catch me later. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Aaliyah t-shirt that I bought from Charlotte Russe. My pants also from Charlotte Russe. I didn't put on my sneakers yet, but yeah, so yeah, I keep messing with my hair because yeah. So see you there. Take care. So guys, I'm here in Manhattan, and yeah, so I'm headed to B&H now, and sorry the video's a little shaky, but the camera's in my bag. I didn't feel like pulling it all out, so this is part of my video. So, yeah. Still walking. I'm enjoying this walk. Yeah, so, this is where I am. So I don't know how to switch it over, but yeah. So I'm gonna grab something to eat because I'm hungry. So catch me later. I'm finally here at B&H, and I finally able to charge my phone. So now I'm waiting for the event. So stay tuned for more. All right, God bless. So guys, I'm finally here at B&H. This is what's happening. Don't get to see a camera and see how it works. This is what we're doing today. Mother's Day magic on the High Line. Nikon showcase.
What is it? Are you camera
Resolution here is 1.5. This does have its status.
Right up to the table. We're going to be taking off in about 10 minutes. We'll make a brief announcement before then, but I just want to go and thank you to Nikon for hosting today's event.
I do. Having that CFS Trust card allowed them to shoot faster as well.
guys, that's it. That's a wrap for the B&H event, and I'm standing in front of the store right now. I just left out of there. I had so much fun, and I'll share some of the pictures and videos with you when I get home. So let's get home, and that's a wrap for today. God bless.